Ever wondered how the financial landscape is shaped by the players you might not hear about every day? Think about it. We often see the headlines dominated by the megabanks, the global giants. But what about the institutions quietly powering local economies, the ones perhaps right in your neighborhood? Today, we're diving into the world of one such bank, Patriot Bank. And the question we're tackling isn't just about its name, but about its substance. How big are the assets of Patriot Bank? Now, before we jump straight into the numbers, and trust me, we will get there, it's important to understand why this question even matters. A bank's assets are essentially everything it owns that has economic value. This includes cash, loans it has issued, investments in securities, even its buildings and equipment. The size of these assets is a key indicator of the bank's overall scale, its capacity to lend, its influence within the financial system, and ultimately, its stability. Think of it like this: if a bank is a tree, its assets are the roots and the trunk, the foundation that allows it to grow, weather storms, and support a thriving ecosystem of customers and communities. A larger asset base generally suggests a greater ability to absorb losses, invest in technology, and offer a wider range of financial products and services. So, who exactly is Patriot Bank? It's not one of the household names plastered across skyscrapers in every major city. Instead, Patriot Bank operates primarily within specific regions. Understanding its footprint is crucial context. Are we talking about a small community bank serving a few towns, or a larger regional player with branches across multiple states? This geographical scope significantly influences the potential size of its assets. A bank deeply rooted in a local area might have a more intimate understanding of its customers' needs, but its growth potential and asset accumulation could be naturally capped by the size of that market. Conversely, a regional bank with a broader reach has the opportunity to amass larger assets by serving a wider customer base and participating in more diverse economic activities. Furthermore, the age and history of Patriot Bank play a role. A bank that has been operating for decades, building relationships, and gradually expanding its services, is likely to have accumulated a more substantial asset base compared to a newer institution still in its growth phase. Consider the historical context. Has Patriot Bank navigated major economic shifts, adapted to evolving regulations, and consistently attracted deposits and loan customers over the long term? These factors contribute significantly to the overall size of its balance sheet. Another crucial piece of the puzzle is the type of banking model Patriot Bank employs. Is it primarily focused on traditional retail banking, serving individuals and small businesses with checking accounts, savings accounts, mortgages, and personal loans? Or does it have a significant commercial banking arm, dealing with larger corporations, providing business loans, and managing more complex financial transactions? Banks with a strong commercial focus often tend to have larger asset bases due to the higher value of their transactions and the greater borrowing needs of their corporate clients. Similarly, a bank heavily involved in investment banking activities, such as underwriting securities or providing advisory services for mergers and acquisitions, might also see a significant impact on its asset size. The regulatory environment also casts a long shadow over the banking industry. Banks operate under strict rules and regulations designed to ensure their safety and soundness, and to protect depositors. These regulations, which can vary depending on the size and complexity of the institution, can influence how a bank manages its assets and its capacity for growth. For instance, capital requirements, the amount of capital a bank must hold relative to its risk-weighted assets, can impact its lending capacity and overall asset size. Now, let's pivot to the information itself. Finding the precise, real-time asset size of Patriot Bank requires looking at official financial reports. In the United States, for example, banks are required to file regular reports with regulatory agencies like the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC. These reports, often referred to as call reports, provide detailed information about a bank's financial condition, including its total assets. So, where can we find this information? The FDIC's website is a primary source for data on insured banks. By searching for Patriot Bank in the FDIC's database, we can typically access its most recent call report, which will clearly state its total assets. Publicly traded banks will also disclose their financial information, including asset size, and their quarterly and annual reports filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. These reports, known as 10Q, quarterly, and 10K, annual, are publicly available on the SEC's EDGAR database. However, it's important to be specific. There might be multiple financial institutions with similar names. Therefore, when searching for Patriot Bank's asset information, it's crucial to know its full legal name and ideally its location or charter number to ensure you're looking at the correct entity. Once we locate the relevant financial reports, what kind of numbers might we expect to see? This is where it gets interesting, and frankly, it can vary dramatically. A small community bank might have assets in the range of a few $100 million. A larger regional bank could have assets spanning several billion, or even tens of billions of dollars. Without knowing the specific Patriot Bank we're focusing on, it's impossible to give an exact figure right now. Let's consider some hypothetical scenarios to illustrate the point. If Patriot Bank is a community bank with a handful of branches in a single state, its assets might be somewhere between $500 million and $5 billion. This would allow it to serve the local community with a range of deposit and loan products, contributing to the economic well-being of the area. On the other hand, if Patriot Bank is a larger regional player with a wider geographic footprint and a more diversified portfolio of services, its assets could easily exceed $10 billion, perhaps even reaching $50 billion or more. At this scale, the bank would have a more significant impact on the broader regional economy, with a greater capacity for large commercial loans and investments. To truly understand the magnitude of these numbers, it's helpful to put them in perspective. Compared to the trillion-dollar asset bases of the largest global banks, even a multi-billion-dollar regional bank might seem relatively small. However, within its specific market and for its customer base, Patriot Bank could be a significant financial institution. Furthermore, the trend in a bank's asset growth over time can be insightful. Is Patriot Bank steadily increasing its asset base, indicating healthy growth and expansion? Or has its asset size remained relatively stable, perhaps reflecting a more mature or conservative business model? Analyzing historical financial reports can reveal these trends and provide a deeper understanding of the bank's performance and trajectory. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.